Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In previous class, we have revised chapter first, History Part 1. Now, we revise chapter 1, Part 2. Page number 14, the Egyptian civilization, town planning. The Egyptian civilization flourished in the valley of River Nile. The annual flooding of the river made the adjoining areas very fertile. Farmers began sitting there, and slowly the area transformed into a civilization. तो स्टूडेंट हमने पढ़ा था इसके बारे में प्रीवियस क्लासेस में। ये रिवीजन चैप्टर है। मैं आपके बैक के नॉलेज से इसको कंबाइन कर रही हूँ। We know more about the Egyptian civilization than the Mesopotamian civilization because of three reasons. Written records are available in large numbers and provide us enough information. Second, the buildings were made of stones that remained unstoried for a longer time. The civilization continued to flourish for a long period of time. Town planning, we have already read about kingdoms and their rulers, the old kingdoms, the middle kingdom, the new kingdom. King Tutankhamun, Pharaoh Tutankhamun ruled during the new kingdom. He ruled between 1332 BC to 1322 BC, approximately 10 years after his death. Photo of King Tutankhamun, students see here. After his death, according to the Egyptian custom, he was buried in a tomb. As per their custom and belief, the Egyptian buried many things with him as they felt his might need them in his afterlife. जैसे कि मैंने बताया था स्टूडेंट, उनका विश्वास होता था, वो इस बात पे बिलीव करते थे कि डेट आफ्टर लाइफ मरने के बाद से फिर से ज़िंदा होना है। तो जो भी रोज़ाना की इस्तेमाल की चीज़ें होती थी उनके साथ, उसको भी दफन कर दिया जाता था। सोसाइटी, द सोसाइटी वॉज डिवाइडेड इंटू मेनी क्लासेस। जैसे कि हम इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, हमेशा आप ध्यान रखना। फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, द किंग क्वीन वॉज द top of the society. She was called pharaoh. She was the religious and political head. The king queen was believed to be living god. Her statue was built and placed in the temple. The second category had priests, nobles, followed by artisan craftsmen. The third category consists of the farmers and cultivators. They lived in the village. And the last, at the lowest level, were the slaves. Most of them were prisoners of war. Lifestyle of people: two upper classes were the rich people. They lived in big houses. Poor people led a very tough life. They worked as servants of the rich people. Singing and dancing were the popular form of entertainment. A music instrument named harp was very popular among them. Position of women. The position of women was inferior to the men. They were not given any power. During the New Kingdom, the queen began to get a prominent place. Religious belief. Religion was the center of Egyptian life. The Egyptian believed in many gods and goddess. वो सब बहुत सारे, जैसे कि मैंने पहले प्रीवियस क्लासेस में बताया है कि they believed in many gods and goddess. देवी देवताओं में वो विश्वास करते थे. Sun was the main god called Amun-Re and Ra. Osiris was the god of the blessed day. She was the wife Horus was his son, which each god had a separate temple and a priest. Osiris, Sis and Horus. Mummies, it's very interesting, student. In Egyptian belief in life after death. They preserve dead bodies by embalming them with spices and wrapping them in a fine linen. आप देख सकते हो किस तरह से रैपिंग करते थे वो, केमिकल्स लगा करके वो उसको प्रिजर्व करते थे डेड बॉडीज को. दिस प्रिजर्व डेड बॉडीज आर कॉल्ड ममीज. These mummies were put in a wooden box enclosed to a stone coffin and then buried in them. The dead bodies were so well preserved then they are in a fine condition. The famous pyramid of Egypt unpacked of tomb of the pharaoh in which their mummies were kept. आप देख सकते हो mummies in coffin, strained. किस तरह से wrapping है इसकी. Occupation. The main occupation of Egyptian was, I know, all of you know, agriculture, craftsmanship. This was the second popular occupation. Egyptian made very beautiful articles of wood, ivory, and precious stone. Trade and commerce. Circle the odd one. It's your quick revision and very important. सर्किल द ऑड वन. प्लीज दौबेर आर्टिशियन फार्मर्स. आप फार्मर्स को सर्किल करना है. स्टोन आपको पता है बहुत सारे स्टोन ने सर्किल कर भी लिया है. वेरी गुड. गोल्ड, लाइनेन, ज्वेलरी, ग्लासवेयर. गोल्ड. रोप्स, लाइडेड, पेपिरस, पेपर. रोप्स. इसे सर्किल करना है. ये बिल्कुल ऑड है. मैच द फॉलोइंग. इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन. रिवर नाइल. आप बिल्कुल इसके सामने लिखोगे. डेमिंग. प्लैनेट सिटी. नाउट. अनप्लैनेट सिटी. फेरेरो. किंग या क्वीन को फेरेरो कहा जाता था. अमुन रे. सन गॉड. गिव वन वर्ड आंसर्स. Preserved dead bodies, mummies. Was grown for making linen, flax. Popular music instrument, harp. Number 4. Second popular occupation of Egyptian craftsmanship. Farming के बाद. Major achievement, art and architecture. Egyptian art and architecture was very rich. The Egyptian built great pyramid and temples. The largest of the pyramid in Egypt of ग्रेट पिरामिड ऑफ गिज़ा. आप देख सकते हो स्पिंक्स ऑफ गिज़ा. इट वॉज बिल्ट फॉर फेरेरो कुफू. इट वॉज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ग्रेटेस्ट आर्किटेक्चरल वंडर्स. Another gem of the Egyptian architecture is the Sphinx. The Sphinx, the mythological creature with the body of a lion, and head of a man, body of a lion and head of a man. It was carved out of single rock. It was believed that it resembled the face of Pharaoh Khafre. आप देख सकते हो बिल्कुल सिंगल रॉक पे बनाया गया है और लाइन की बड़ी है और इसका जो फेस है, हेड है इसका, लाइक अ मैन. पेंटिंग्स ऑन द वॉल ऑफ अ पिरामिड. देख सकते हो पिरामिड के वॉल पे जो पेंटिंग्स होती है. पेंटिंग्स एंड द पिक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स वेर यूज टू डेकोरेट द वॉल ऑफ टेम्पल्स एंड pyramids. We have already read. Scripts. The Egyptian form of writing is known as the hieroglyphics. Sacred writing. This is kind of writing that uses picture for words. Knowledge and science. Mathematics. The Egyptian had made profound progress in the mathematics. They knew fraction, the decimal systems, and the four basic operation of mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They also knew how to calculate the area and volume of a circle, rectangle, and cylinder. Sign for Egyptian number. Astronomy. The devising of a solar calendar was the greatest achievement of the Egyptians. They discovered that the period of a gap between two floods in the river Nile was 365 days. Medicine. Egyptians were well aware about the human body, its structure, blood circulation, and many other things. The Egyptian mummies are still well preserved despite being thousands of years old. Decline. The glorious and mighty civilization came to an end around 30 BC. Foreign attack by the Assyrians, the Persians, and Romans. Internal rebellions and decline in military strength are cited as the main reason for the decline of the Egyptian civilization. It's your quick revision. Write true, T for true, and F for false statement. The largest pyramid in Egypt is the Great Pyramid of Giza. True. The Sphinx is the body of a lion and the head of a woman. False. The Egyptians were the first to devise a solar calendar. True. Natural disasters are cited the main reason of the decline of the Egyptian civilization. False. Give one word answer. A mythological creature carved out of a single rock. Sphinx. A lavishing decorated temple of Egypt. Karnak. The Egyptian form of writing, hieroglyphs. The student, I will give you 4 questions. There are some important question. Do it in your rough copy. I have tell you learn these important questions. What factors? Question number first. What factors are supposed to have led to the decline of the Egyptian civilization? Question number two. Mention the feature of town planning to Chinese cities. Question number third. Compare the script of the Chinese civilization, highlighting the distinctiveness of each. Already, I have sent PDF of all question answer. What factors are supposed to have led to the decline of Egyptian civilization? Foreign attacks by Assyrians, the Persian and the Roman inter-rebellions, and decline in military strength are called as the main reason for the decline of the Egyptian civilization. Question number two. Mention the feature of the town planning of Chinese cities. The feature of the town planning of Chinese cities are as follows. Courtyard where used a common public space, gardening and natural landscape combined with bodies, water to increase the environment. 2. Within the city, market was first floor and residential on the second floor. Question number third. Unity was reflected at all the levels. The neighborhood faced a common courtyard. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड है, वैसे आपकी बुक में ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है. कंपेयर द स्क्रिप्ट्स ऑफ द 3 civilizations हाईलाइटिंग द distinctiveness of each. The script of the 3 civilizations: the Mesopotamian civilization, the Egyptian civilization, the Chinese civilization. It's your students. It's very important question. Note in your fair copy. First, cuneiform. World's first known art of writing. Hieroglyphics. The Egyptian form of writing was used. Pictograms. Picture represented word or an idea. They wrote on little tablets of clay with pens made of reed and bone. They used bark strip of a plant called papyrus to make sheet. Chinese script written top to bottom. Okay, students, I have tell you learn these important questions. Thank you.